Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to review this very quick video presentation by Heirloom Computing. What we're going to demonstrate to you is how Heirloom's ELPaaS, which is an enterprise class platform as a service for COBOL and Java applications, can take a registration application written as a COBOL servlet and deploy it to the 11 leading cloud platforms that are listed below. So let's go ahead and start Heirloom's Elastic COBOL IDE. And here is our registration application and our COBOL servlet. The servlet itself is accessed via a simple HTML form. What we're now going to do is to take the application and deploy it to Heirloom's ELPaaS cloud. We do that through the Elastic COBOL Deploy wizard. We're going to select Cloud and the instance that we want to run the application on. In this case, it's an instance running on Amazon's EC2. That's all we need to do to configure the application for deployment to the cloud, and we are now ready to deploy. The wizard is now packaging the application, transferring it to the cloud and deploying it. And we're already done. So let's go take a look at the application. And here it is, running on Heirloom's ELPaaS. To speed things up, we're not going to fill out the form, so when we click Register Software, the COBOL servlet will execute and tell us that we haven't filled out some required fields. Okay, so that's one of the 11 covered. We'll now run through the other 10. To make it as clear as possible that we are running on different cloud platforms, we have accessed the other instances directly, so you can see the web address for the deployed application on each cloud. Showing you another 10 ELPaaS addresses would not have been so convincing, so here we go. First up is Microsoft's Azure cloud, and this is the domain for deployed applications on Microsoft's Azure. Here's HP's public cloud, Amazon Beanstalk, .cloud, CloudBees, Red Hat's OpenShift platform, Gelastic, and Cumulogic. We also have two platforms that are running as private clouds inside Heirloom's firewall. They are Cloud Foundry and finally Staccato. So as you can see, Heirloom's ELPaaS makes it incredibly simple to leverage many different cloud computing platforms by automating tasks that would typically take weeks into just a few minutes. No hardware to acquire and set up, no platform to provision and configure, and no software to install and test. Heirloom's ELPaaS also takes care of all the different variations in the various cloud platforms to present the IT organization with a level playing field upon which to operate. This has been a presentation by Heirloom Computing, empowering enterprises in the cloud.